How to kill a pine tree fast. Trees depend upon nutrition to live. Taking the nutrition away from a pine tree will guarantee that it will die within a short time. Ohio State University recommends girdling trees to allow their removal after they die. The tree's vascular system is found in the first few inches of its diameter, and when it is cut or removed, the tree can no longer feed itself. Things you will need: chainsaw, woodman's axe, herbicide. Girdle the pine tree by using one of several methods. Use a chainsaw to cut 2 parallel rings around the trunk that are several inches deep and about 6 inches apart from one another. Use an axe to strike downwards on the trunk and pull the bark downward several inches like an orange peel if you do not have a saw. Completely ring the trunk with these axe cuts. If the bark is completely pulled off, it is considered a girdle, but if it left on the tree it is called a frill because of the way it looks. Coat the exposed bark with a concentrated herbicide containing glyphosate as about 50% of the active ingredients. Tips. Warnings. Springtime is the best time to girdle trees.